like to make a video about presetup. Presetup means we put essential parts like printheads because it's most difficult part to install, more likely to make a mistake, and the mistake is fatal. So we pre-install, presetup the printheads for clients, but we do not use initial ink system. And when we talk about ink system, actually we also did something. We bypassed the ink level testing, otherwise it's beeping horribly. If you can bear with it, you do not need to do that. But anyway, we put a sticker is because we need to remind ourselves to revert it before sending to clients. Otherwise this part stops working. So same applies to the heater, which we also put a sticker because it's burning, it's very hot. So we changed it, but we need to remind us to change it back. So for the damper part, original damper, you need to make sure it's secured, and no matter how violently move, they won't come down, cause a scratch, crash, and other incidents which take more time to fix. So damper, you can see it's actually is a pipe. And this can you reuse. You can find this reuse. This is the type of damper we need to use. Not other type we tried not working. We need to use this type. The reason I'm not sure, but we use this type. And you suck liquid. Actually, it's not ink. It's repair liquid. It's clean now. You like normal fill the ink. Put the ink full. And when the ink full, you leave when they put the ink is full, you lift out the liquid and pour a little bit of air inside. Why? We want this pipe be clean. Why? Because otherwise you shake it, it's dripping everywhere. Okay, so please do that. And when you put back, you put it facing you that you can see the ink level. If you put the other side, difficult to see because the machine is blocking your view. So like this, you can see the ink level of how much ink still inside. It will never gonna finish. It's less than half, you need to refill. Refill is the same way, just sucking from here. And we use the repair liquid, not the shipping liquid. The reason is very simple. You can see, otherwise when it's printed out, you cannot see a thing. Only the red liquid make you able to see. So you put some liquid out. Actually, this is too much. And another thing is once it's do the cleaning, everything is in the waste ink tank. You can get it out and reuse it. Okay, I reused it several times now trying to figure out why the damper not working. So now the damper is inside. What you need to do is you do a strong clean. Remember, initially you still need to load ink, maybe a few seconds. Or you just do the strong clean. Make sure you do the strong clean. Okay. And whenever you take the, okay, let me also do a strong clean. Because whenever you take the damper out, you actually break the air seal, so the air go inside the head. That's why you have to do a strong clean. And you do not need to worry about the pump working or not, because you can see the ink level go down here. Of course, it's not go down, something wrong which you need to take care of it before we send it to clients. So you're gonna see a strong clean, and this ink level you can actually kind of see. When it's full, actually it's full. This other side have some ink, but you're gonna see the ink level goes down. Even strong clean, they do not use lots of ink actually. The ink lasts for a little bit of time. So what we need to do is we put a paper to a nozzle test, like normally we do. And then wait to finish. It still says cleaning. Okay, finished now. We put a paper here, and then you can do the nozzle test. That's a step to the nozzle test. To the nozzle test, you make sure the head's working, everything is working. And then the rest you can do some alignment, but of course change a bigger paper or two paper. Do the alignment and all of those things. And finally, when it's done, you take this out. Actually, this can reuse. We put the liquid back. And also use pull here to get everything out. We do not need the liquid. And put this damper back. When you put the damper back, also very careful which one is which color. You need to put the right position. Okay, because they do have this little thing. So you need to check the alignment tool, print EXP about the color order, make it right. Because we're gonna make another video for clients. They will just take one out, put the ink. No, they will put the ink first, take one out, put the ink, and when they see the syringe have ink, put it back. So the damper order is very important. So you do not make a wrong order, and then clients will be very confused what to do, especially the first-time buyer. Okay, and then the rest function like LED, when you print, you observe if it's working, everything. Okay, basically, just the important is make a damper like that. Make a damper is this one, and we're gonna keep this set and add the support, so can keep using because this liquid don't dry.